Hello, what's up my people? Welcome to a truly extraordinary home that captures the essence of luxury living. Today, we have an exclusive opportunity to showcase this stunning property, nestled in the heart of Ashaley, Botwe, Lakeside, one of the most serene and safe environments in Accra, Ghana. Let me tell you more about the specifications of this luxury home right here. This is a 4-bedroom house, all en suite, 2 living area or living hall, dining area, fitted kitchen, powder room or guest washroom, 2 storage rooms, maid's quarters. Sustainability meets functionality in this home. It comes equipped with a solar tank and solar power system, allowing you to enjoy energy efficiency and reduce your carbon footprint. It's a win-win for both your pocket and environment. And for all the car enthusiasts out there, you will be delighted to know that the property features a spacious compound that can comfortably accommodate at least 4 cars. No more parking woes for you and your guests. This home is on the market for $250,000 US. Yes, very affordable, right? It's negotiable too. Kindly check the description field for my contact details to reach out to me. Please like this video for me and give me your opinion in your comment section. Apparently, it helped push the video to many people, and kindly hit the subscribe button for me. Step inside and be prepared to be amazed. This house boasts 4 bedrooms, all en suite bathrooms, provided ultimate comfort and privacy. Welcome to the living area, a world of elegance where luxury living reaches new heights. Today, we invite you to explore the remarkable living area of this exquisite home, where impeccable design meets unparalleled comfort. As you step into the living area, your eyes will be drawn to the stunning porcelain tiles that graces the floor, adding a touch of sophistication and luxury to the space. But that's not all. Look up and you'll be mesmerized by the meticulously crafted POP ceiling, adorned with intricate details and beautiful spotlights, creating a captivating visual experience. Functionality meets in the style well thought in out design of this living area. The space has been intelligently planned to provide a seamlessly flow, ensuring maximum comfort and convenience. Whether you are lounging with loved ones or entertaining guests, this space has it all. And take a look at the shelves and dedicated area for TV mount, offering a chic and organized way to showcase your entertainment system. Adjacent to it, we have a beautifully designed dining space, perfect for hosting memorable gatherings and enjoying spontaneous meals with families and friends. This living area truly embodies luxury at its finest. Welcome to the heart of luxurious living, where culinary dreams come true. Today, we invite you to step into the exquisite kitchen of this remarkable home, where style meets functionality in perfect home. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer space and thoughtful design of this kitchen. It offers ample room for movement and creativity, allowing you to indulge in your culinary passions. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a space that is as visually appealing as it is practical. Take a look at the meticulously crafted shelves and cabinets, providing plenty of storage options for all your kitchen essentials, whether it's fine china cookware or pantry items. There is a place for everything. Not only do these storage solutions keep your kitchen organized, but they also add a touch of elegance to the overall design. The kitchen island serves as centerpiece of this culinary heaven. It not only provides additional workspace for meal preparation, but also doubles as a stylish breakfast bar, perfect for enjoying quick bites or sipping your morning coffee. It's a versatile addition that adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal to the kitchen. The countertop in this luxury kitchen are a sight to behold. Crafted with exquisite materials, they offer both durability and touch of sophistication. And when it comes to cooking, the induction cooktop provides precise control and effortless cleaning, making culinary adventures to a breeze. The sink area is thoughtful design as well, combining practicality and elegance in equal measures. Ventilation is essential in any kitchen, and this space is no exception. The strategically placed windows allow natural light to flood in, while providing ample ventilation, keeping the kitchen fresh and inviting. Additionally, safety is a top priority. An emergency exit is the intelligent priority, incorporated into the design, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Right after the kitchen, you'll find an emergency exit, an essential feature that ensures the safety and well-being of the home's occupants. Equipped with a burglar-proof door, this exit provides a swift and secure way to evacuate in case of any emergency. Adjacent to the kitchen, there is a spacious maid's room, a thoughtful addition that caters to the comfort and convenience of your household staff. This mini bedroom provides a private and cozy space for your domestic help, ensuring they have a comfortable and functional area to rest and rejuvenate. Today, we invite you to explore the breathtaking bedroom of this luxurious residence, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to create a heaven of tranquility. As you enter this magnificent bedroom, you will notice the thoughtfully installed fan, ensuring a gentle breeze that soothes and cools. The wardrobe, designed with both functionality and style in mind, offers ample space for neatly organize and store your belongings. It is a perfect blend of practicality and elegance. The flooring beneath your feet exudes a touch of opulence with its meticulously selected tiles. Their smooth texture and refined aesthetics enhance the overall ambience of the space. And look at these expensive windows, inviting an abundance of natural light to flood the room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Connected to the bedroom is a luxurious ensuite bathroom, designed to pamper your senses. Step inside and discover the epitome of comfort and sophistication. The water closet, discreetly positioned for privacy, ensures convenience and functionality. The vanity sink, adorned with exquisite materials, adds a touch of elegance to your daily routine. A wall mirror, strategically placed, reflects the natural light and visually expands the space, giving the room an air of grandeur. Adjacent to it, the shower offers a spa-like experience, enveloping you in cascades of warm water, melting away the stresses of day. This bedroom is a testament of the perfect fusion of luxury and comfort. From the carefully selected fan and the wardrobe to the exquisite tiles and well-positioned windows, every element has been thoughtfully considered. The ensuite bathroom, with its water closet, vanity sink, wall mirror and invigorating shower, is a retreat within a retreat. Today, we invite you to discover the guest restroom of this magnificent luxury home, a space that embodies both functionality and style, offering a memorable experience for your guests. Step into the guest restroom, where every detail has been carefully curated to create a sophisticated and inviting ambience. It is a testament to the dedication of this home's design in ensuring the utmost comfort and convenience for your visitors. The guest restroom features a well-appointed water closet, offering the privacy and comfort for your guests. The vanity sink in the guest restroom exudes luxury and elegance, crafted with exquisite materials and meticulous attention to detail. As you ascend this beautifully designed staircase, you will notice its simple yet captivating style. It's a testament to the concept of understanding elegance, seamlessly integrating into the overall aesthetic of the home. The choice of tiles for the staircase reflects the meticulous attention to the details selected to create a visual impact that harmonizes with the surrounding space. The high quality materials used ensures both durability and touch of sophistication. The balustrade, a defining feature of the staircase, demonstrates the commitment to the excellence in design, crafted with the finest materials. It not only serves as a safety measure but also adds a sense of architectural artistry to the space. Before we continue with the tour, please do well to like this video for me and hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you. Welcome to a realm of redefined luxury and comfort. Today, we invite you to explore the upper living area of this remarkable home, a space designed for relaxation, entertainment and making unforgettable memories. Step into the living area where sophistication meets functionality. The expensive space offers a seamless blend of comfort and style, providing a sanctuary for relaxation and social gatherings. There is an ongoing work, so we won't be able to showcase the balcony at the backyard and the pergola, but I promise you next week I will show you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out when I share. Greetings from our second bedroom. Enter the ensuite bedroom to see how style and utility can coexist. The closet provides plenty of space for storing your personal item and has been cleverly integrated into your room. It seamlessly combines elegance and usefulness to keep your necessities organized and convenient. A lavish bathroom that is connected to the bedroom is a heaven of indulgence and relaxation. Each element has been thoughtfully designed to provide you a spa-like experience in the privacy of your own home. Wonderfully designed vanity sink and strategically positioned wall mirror completes the ensuite bathroom. Hello and welcome to our third bedroom. Step into the ensuite bedroom where design and functionality come together. The wardrobe, which has been cleverly integrated into the area, provides plenty of storage for your personal possession. It's a seamlessly blend of aesthetics and functionality that keeps your items organized and accessible. A beautiful bathroom connects to the bedroom, creating a haven of relaxation and indulgence. Every aspect has been meticulously designed to give a spa-like experience in the privacy of your own home. A nicely built vanity sink and well-placed wall mirror round off the ensuite bathroom. The vanity sink, made of high-quality materials, provide a touch of luxury, while the wall mirror displays the home painstaking attention to detail. Are you ready for the primary suite or the master bedroom? If yes, kindly like this video. Yes, now we head straight to our master bedroom. I know you all have been waiting to see this part. Now we are here, and let me tell you all about the master bedroom. It's a dream come true. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the master bedroom. Today, we invite you to immerse yourself in the splendor of this exceptional space, a sanctuary where tranquility meets elegance. Step into the master bedroom where beauty and functionality intertwine seamlessly. This spacious retreat offers an haven of relaxation, providing ample room for rest, rejuvenation, and personal expression. The master bedroom features large windows that allow an abundance of natural light to illuminate the space. Adjacent to the master bedroom, you will find a very big balcony that offers breathtaking views of the house compound. This outdoor allows you to enjoy the serenity of the surroundings, providing an ideal spot for relaxation or intimate gatherings with loved ones. Within the master bedroom, you will find a convenient storage room, ensuring that your personal belongings are organized and within reach. The ample spaces allows you for a comfortable placement of your bed, furniture, and even a TV mount, providing a personalized touch of your oasis of relaxation. Connected to the master bedroom is a luxurious bathroom, a private retreat within a radiating shower, an egg-shaped toilet, a water heater, a convenient towel rack. The attention to detail and the thoughtful inclusion of these elements make every moment in this space a true elegance. This master bedroom is epitome of luxury, offering a harmonious blend of style, comfort, and architectural excellence. From the beautiful and spacious bedroom to the breathtaking balcony, the storage room, the walk-in closet, and the opulent bathroom, every aspect has been meticulously designed to create an oasis of tranquility and beauty. No luxury master bedroom is complete without a spacious walk-in closet. Here, you'll find a meticulously designed wardrobes and cabinets, offering abundant storage space for your clothing and personal items. It's a haven of organization and style, ensuring that you start and eat your day in perfect harmony. This is where we draw the curtains for today. Thank you for joining us on this journey through luxury home. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content, and stay tuned as we continue to explore the finest home and remarkable design. Please do all to like this video, give us your honest opinion, share this video, subscribe. Thank you.